In the previous video, we looked at coordinated breathing applied or with movement. This session focused on the breathing process, the breathing apparatus of the body. We used the chest opener exercise, remember, and this is a core exercise of the pranayama program. This session focused on breathing, the breathing apparatus of the body. In today's video, we'll be looking at the joints and major articulation areas or sections of the body. The theme of this session would be how to warm up, how to wake up these articulations and these joints. Another start to the day. And we will back up this yoga session with a close look at what joints really are. And we'll be using an animated diagram for this. And just a reminder, physical yoga is therapy in movement. Enjoy Tadasana. On the exhale, drop head forwards gently. Inhale, rotating head to the right. Exhale, rotating head posteriorly to the vertical. Rotate head laterally to the left. And exhale, dropping head forward, return to the medial line. And repeat. And practice 3 to 4 rounds of this posture. On the exhale, bend elbow in the forward plane and raise hands to shoulders. Now inhale, rotating arms posteriorly. Repeat as long as desired. And release. Repeat for another round. Arm rotations in the opposite direction. Inward rotations. And release. Now inhale, extending arms to the vertical and rotating posteriorly. Exhale once again. I'll show you this in a profile position. The principle is inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. In the opposite direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now, inhale, raising arms to the horizontal and flexing hands prone. Now, exhale, flex hands vertical. Repeat several times and release. Now, rotate hands externally. Finish on the in-breath. Finish on the in-breath with a dynamic flexion extension of arm and hands and release. Inhale, laterally extending torso. Exhale, releasing in the forward plane. Rotating laterally, exhale posteriorly. Suspend. Repeat for another round and return to the medial line. And another round. Return to the medial line and try another round if desired. I'll now show you a profile view of this posture, as this is a delicate movement, and the aim is not to damage the spine by any overextension. Notice we keep the neck and head aligned with the torso. This is very important. Now for a rear view of this posture. I have broken down this posture for teaching purposes, but in reality, you can practice 4 rounds. Exhale, lowering to the chair position, bending knees. Retract coccyx posteriorly and rotate the hips. The kinetic points of action are the pubis and coccyx. These points are termed drishti in yoga. We'll see this later. These drishti steer all movement. On the exhale, bend forward, bending knees. Practice exterior rotation of knees, supporting kneecaps with hands. This is important. Notice you are also rotating the ankle joint. Exhale, practicing forward tilt of pelvis and soft unrolling of the spine. Practice dynamic chair posture for knee flexibility. Exhale, dropping torso forward in Uttanasana. Return to the vertical with a forward pelvic tilt and a rolling spine. Once again,
another round. I'm using my index fingers as a variant of drishti practice. Practice as many rounds as needed with this posture. I'll show you this in a profile position with the variant Urdhva Namaskar. Practice as many rounds as desired. From Samastiti, inhale, extending foot to tiptoe. Now practice rotations of the ankle, combined with flexion, extension of foot. Play with this. Return to center and practice with the other leg. We'll finish this session with the Dance of Shiva posture. Inhale, laterally circling arm to the vertical, adduct opposing arm, exhaling. Establish balance, enjoy this posture, and fix a focal point. After loosening joints and articulations of the body, we can practice this pratyahara exercise, which is a concentration posture involving centering of the self and balance. Protract shoulders and scapula in order to open chest and practice yogic breathing. Protract shoulders and scapula in order to open chest and practice yogic breathing. Namaste.